Hello friends, welcome to English by Mahesh. In this video you will practice 100 simple spoken English questions with multiple choice answers. Try to answer before the correct one is revealed. Let's begin. Do you want water? Yes, thank you. Is this your seat? Yes, it's mine. Do you speak English? Yes, I speak English. What's your hobby? Reading books. How old are you? I am 25. Shall I call a cab? Yes, good idea. What is your job? I am a teacher. Is this your bag? Yes, it is. How is the weather? It's sunny. Is everything okay? Yes, all good. Where do I put this? On the shelf. Are you busy? Yes, a little. Is she at home? Yes, she is. Can you wait for me? Yes, no problem. What's your plan today? I will rest. What is your problem? I lost my wallet. Is she your friend? Yes, she is. Are you tired? Yes, a bit. Are you done eating? Not yet. What's your address? 21 MG Road. What's for dinner? Rice and curry. Where is your phone? In my bag. Where is the bathroom? Down the hall. Do you have money? Yes, a little. Are you coming with us? Yes, I am. Do you know the way? Yes, follow me. Do you like movies? Yes, a lot. When is your birthday? In July. Do you play sports? Yes, football. Is it safe? Yes, don't worry. Where are you going? To the market. Are you sure? Yes, I am. Do you need help? Yes, a little. Where did you go yesterday? To the market. What do you think? It's a good idea. How was your day? It was good. What time do we leave? At 6 p.m. Where do you live? In Hyderabad. Do you know him? Yes, I do. What's wrong? I lost my phone. Can we meet at 5? That works. Are we late? No, just in time. What's your favorite food? Pizza. Are you on your way? Yes, I am coming. What is this? It's a book. What are you looking for? My keys. Are you coming later? No, I am staying. What time is it? It is 5 p.m. What should I wear? Blue jeans. What is your name? My name is John. Do you need anything? A glass of water. Can I call you? Sure, anytime. What are you making? Tea. Can I open the window? Yes, please. Can you drive? Yes, I can drive. What are you doing? Watching TV. Is the food ready? In 5 minutes. Shall we go? Yes, let's go. Is it cold outside? Yes, maybe. Are you feeling better now? Yes, much better. Where are you going? To the store. What's your favorite color? Blue. How are you? I am fine. Who is at the door? My friend. Can I sit here? Yes, please sit. Do you want some tea? Yes, please. Do you have siblings? Yes, one brother. Do you like tea? Yes, I do. Are they coming too? Yes, they are. What do you do? I am a teacher. Are you free tomorrow? Yes, I am. Do you remember me? Yes, I do. Do you like music? Yes, I do. Do you go to school? Yes, every day. Shall I help you? That would help. Can I see the file? Yes, take it. Are you ready to go? Not yet. What did he say? He said okay. Can we go now? No, not now. Is this your book? Yes, that's mine. Can I take this seat? Sorry, it's taken. Do you have a pen? Yes, here it is. Do you like this movie? I loved it. What's next? We go home. Can I ask you something? Sure. Can I join you? Sure, come on. Are you hungry? Yes, very hungry. When is lunch? At 1 p.m. Can you help me? Sure, I can. Where should I wait? Under the tree. Can I borrow your pen? Sure, here you go. Is she your brother? No, he is my cousin. Is your phone working? It's dead. Did you bring the keys? Yes, they are here. Can you speak slowly? Yes, of course. Do you feel okay? A bit tired. Are we there yet? Almost. Can we eat now? Yes, I'm hungry. What's the matter? I have a headache. When is the meeting? At 3 p.m. Great job, friends. You have just completed 100 English quiz questions. Tell me your score in the comments. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to English by Mahesh for more spoken English practice every day. See you in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.